Guys, it has been 2 months since the Big Brother Mzansi Bazazwa came to an end, and Thandeka Shabalala has not announced any skincare collaboration, any fashion luxurious collaboration, any ambassadorship, or anything. And we're asking ourselves why. Is she blacklisted? Why is she not working with brands? Hi, also, if you're new here, please do subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Comment in the comment section with your opinions and like this video. Guys, I want to right now. We are not sure if Thandeka is blacklisted or Thandeka just choose not to go the route of being an influencer. But here are my opinions. There are two of them. The first one, it will be the reality TV star personality. Guys, let's just be honest. Reality TV star, they grab attention by the moments they create for their fans. They are most controversial. They are very loud most of the time. That personality does fit Thandeka. What we have seen at Big Brother House is that Thandeka represented herself as someone who's very honest. And in marketing, honesty doesn't work. In marketing, we know deception works better. If I can give you a script and say this, my brand A can clear dark marks in 7 days, you have to represent that. But for Thandeka, who's already up there, her skin is gorgeous, it's glowy, there's nothing that you can say that I use brand A because I'm working with them now, but I've been using Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you see from my stories that I like that. You know what I mean? Maybe that's the reason why brands are like, we cannot work with this one. This one, she's very honest. And the fact that she doesn't want to actually be told how to do something, this is what we have seen from Big Brother. It might be a little bit hard. Maybe brands are finding her very not easy to work with. Maybe that's the reason. I'm not saying it's the fact. Number two, Thandeka might be expensive for this brand. Okay, how can I say she's expensive? From what we heard from her, she's not a girl who's gonna wait for someone to give her money. She's well off herself. Her family is well off. This is what she has said. Another thing is that her fan base, which equates to value, they defend, they attack, and they support Thandeka. We know in influencer marketing, numbers don't lie. She might not have the same followers as Williama, but her interactions, her engagement is higher of that of Liam. Thandeka currently sits in the top 5 of the most talked about personality in Africa, and she did not win. Thandeka has dethroned Ashley Ugo, because in South Africa it was Ashley Ugo who's on this charts. So you understand that paying her will be more expensive than having micro influencers or influencers who just have followers. That's my opinion anyway. That's the other thing. But the other thing, it might be because is that, guys, there are gatekeepers in the industry. I don't want to lie. It's a fact. People have been saying in the entertainment industry in South Africa, there are people who are sitting at the gate and they're selecting, auditing who they want and who they don't want. And because Thandeka is being Thandeka, I think if the reality is that she's been blacklisted, because she is who she is. I don't believe that she has attacked any celebrity, any marketing management, anyone in South Africa. Let's just be honest. She might have been arguments with their faves, with their golden child, with their golden eggs, but she has never stepped on anyone's toes. What she said is that having Big Brother money will not actually change her life that much, because her life is already taken off the ground. She doesn't need it. And then people were in their appeal, they were not happy about that. And we should be happy as black people when we find someone who's black who doesn't need to be rescued. A person who's already there. Because we cannot always be rescuing people, but we cannot deny her work because our feelings towards her are bitter. You can be bitter, but don't deny anyone's work. But to me, I feel like these two reasons are the main one that are maybe causing her to not work with brands. And the first one is being controversial in the Big Brother house. That personality that she represented or that she gave us is a red flag. It's my opinion anyway. And another thing, maybe the brands, when they calculate her value based on social media engagements, they feel like she's expensive. Remember, Ashley Ogol said that I'm not gonna work because you guys want to be me there. If they're not paying me what I want, I'm not gonna work. And that also might be the reason why Thandeka is not working with any brands currently. Maybe that's the reason she's being selective. And the day Thandeka announces that I have a brand or a major announcement, the conversation will change. It will be like a new day in Muzansi because we want her to work. We want to see how much she can give and how creative she is. Myself, I want to see that from her. So do you think that Thandeka not working with brands currently 2 months post show is because she's too controversial, or is because of the social media attention that she has been getting, or is she blacklisted? Do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I love you. Bye. I did repeat that. Now comment in the comment section.